Now wait a minute. How big is Blair?
There went Impy.
Protecting himself.
Where'd he go?
I've been run over on that side. Push him down a little bit there, he did. Slip kick down and...
There you are.
From the gun. Incomplete, trying to put it back in Jackson's hands.
Hey, Santo. Hey.
Sean Jackson, he's still John. He's still guy.
There goes Ryan.
Absolutely started by Blair Phillips over here on the sidelines. And they're going to get Blair over here. You're going to bring him off in this substitution package now. Third down at 14. 24 points on the board, 6:30 to go.
Oh dear, no falling.
Long short, got through too high. He had Robert Jordan. Jordan is behind coverage. And it'll be fourth down. Bears a punt. Still plenty of time for the Ducks.
They lost for on fire since Tennessee. That time did have his wide receiver wide open in the ball.
All right, give it back.
Jeremiah Johnson. Back deep. Larson from behind.
There you go.
Three protectors there.
Up on the
A lot of
couch.
folks are starting
Like,
to
you
use.
can't see me. You little one better be careful. Get him.
21-yard line. So Saturday Night Football on ABC, presented by